Good morning once again. This is Stone Perkers, and I will show you my new pickup Carbonado Black Diamond. Yeah, you can see looks like black charcoal. Yes, the melting this is maybe this is the um, what they called melting fusion cross melting crystal, white crystal. This is my Carbonado Black Diamond. Looks like charcoal. Yeah, it's very beautiful and heavy. It's 2.1 kilogram. Yeah, 2.1 kilogram.